you should substitute x into any equation. Equation 1 or equation 2. But let's try, but I prefer the equation 1. So substituting 4y plus 3, then the x, substitute the x always, plus is equal to negative 3. Then you should multiply. After substituting, multiply this 2, then 4y. Multiply the whole number to the numerator, then copy the denominator. You just copy the denominator. So multiplying 51 over 23 is equals to negative 3. There is a denominator, so there's a denominator. Look for LCD, but if there's no other fraction, you just multiply this denominator to the both sides. So multiply 12, 92y plus 51 is equals to negative 69. Then the y should be left here in the left side of the equal sign. So 92y is equal. Then transpose. When you're transposing, the sign should change. So negative 69 minus 51. Then solve the similar terms. Negative 120. Then 120. So y is equals to negative 120. Again, divide. Don't forget to divide. So when dividing, for 92. Again, reduce if possible. So when reducing, you can try any what do you call that? Any similar term. So we can try it into number 2. So if we divide number 2, it becomes 60, 46. Reduce. So y is equals to negative 30 over 23. So x, y, 17 over 23, negative 30 over 20. So this is the final answer.